Now I request Brother Ajmal Sharfuddin, the Global Strategic Head of AskIslamPedia, to address for 2 minutes.
Bismillah, wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulillah, wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Ajmal Sharfuddin, and I hail in UAE. I'm actually owner of a management consultancy company which basically provide consultancy to the government. Alhamdulillah, I got the opportunity to graduate from Canada, and I'm so happy and so proud to be a project like AskIslamPedia. And I'd like to first congratulate our chief guest, A.K. Khan Saab, for the fabulous achievement that you're actually doing for the community. And from what we see, two great projects which is on hand. On one side, AskIslamPedia. What is AskIslamPedia? Actually, a couple of years ago, I got the opportunity to meet Sheikh Arshad in Dubai. He came up with this project, and I got to talk to him, and he said, what is that you're bringing in as a USP? What is your USP? What are you trying to do? So he told me, there are people who's on the professional world, and there are people who's on the dini aspect. People who are in the religious aspect, they are totally disconnected from the aspect of the world. Whereas the people who are extremely talented and in great heights, they are totally disconnected from what they are supposed to be knowing about the religion. So how do we solve this? The only strategic way we can actually solve this is we have a platform where we can join everyone together. And what could be better than the online platform? I mean, yesterday, the incident that took place, and throughout the history that you see in past decade, internet has been changing life beyond imagination. The era of oil is already passed by. Today, we are on data. Today, big data plays and changes the economy. So if big data plays such a big and important role in the economy, where do we stand? The only way we can actually collaborate is joining everyone together. So it gives me great privilege to see two great people sitting together where collaborating for the sake of development of the community is what is most inspiring for the youth. And going back to how that collaboration actually happens. Again, using the technology. One of our core expertise is software, and understanding where IoT plays a role, how data plays a role, how all of this coming together plays a role. The initiative of the schools that you have today, the 200 schools, we don't need to go on a hard work. We need to play smart. Today, everything is online based. If we have a mobile app, or if we have something which is collaborating with this for the initiative that you're doing, we would land up, as you rightly said, what is started today in Hyderabad, it will reach not only India, across the world, inshallah. So it gives me immense pleasure to actually be part of this project and congratulate each and every one of you who's been part of this. May Allah put barakah in everything that you have done. I'd like to keep it short because I really understand everyone's importance of time. Otherwise, I could just go on and on and on about the importance of this project. Jazakallah khair wa akhira ana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.